Introduce. My name is Roy Saputra Sihombing, student of the Tarutung State Christian Religion Institute. Second semester, its group, Christian Religious Education Study Program. Here I will give a short meditation taken from Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1. Namely, faith is the basis of everything we hope for and the evidence of everything we do not see. Here I take the title Understanding Christians' Faith. It is this basis that makes Christians believe in the oneness of God and recognize that everything that was created both on earth with all its creators, so also the seabed with all the fish that are and the like and the sometimes in the sky, with all belief and belief that God created everything. It was all done by God only with His word, and everything happened even though we could not see it. Without faith, it is impossible for people to please God, because anyone who turns to God, he must believe that God exists and that God gives ways to people who really seek Him. My hope, let go of your confidence in this life without relying on God, on the helper. We believe that He created the universe with us in it, and assure you that only God is the right answer to be a faithful friend in solving problems, to be joyful in our lives. This is the contemplation of the words of the Lord of Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1 with the theme of understanding Christians' faith. Hopefully can enlighten faith and always rely on God in everything, both in joy and sorrow, both in happiness and in difficulties, both in the struggle of life, and so in everything that has been answered. With one hope must remain faithful and believe in God as the living God for us, and Jesus Christ as a friend for each of our steps. Amen and Shalom.